हाय आज हमारे साथ विपिन वर्मा जी हैं. इनको ही नीड्स नो इंट्रोडक्शन, एवरीबडी नोज हिम. तो वी विल डिस्कस लिटिल बिट अबाउट आवर न्यूली लॉन्च्ड अर्थपॉट नोवो कॉन्फ्रेंस सिस्टम. तो अभी हमने थोड़ा इसके बारे में डिस्कशन किया था कि एक हमारा ये अर्थपॉट का कॉन्फ्रेंस सिस्टम है. तो बेसिकली व्हाट इट इज़, एक ये इसमें चेयरमैन डेलीगेट सिस्टम है जिसमें हम कंट्रोलर में आपको 110 यूनिट्स तक कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं. इसके साथ इसमें इंटीग्रेटेड कैमरा ट्रैकिंग एंड वीडियो स्विचिंग का फीचर आता है. हालांकि ये हमने डिस्कशन अभी डिटेल में किया है. सो आई हैड शोकेस्ड यू अबाउट आवर प्रोडक्ट. तो आई मीन व्हाट्स योर थॉट एंड व्हाट्स योर कमेंट ऑन दैट?
Okay. See, what I like about this particular product, first is Erthpot has come from India, which is being developed and R&D by the gentleman who is standing just next to me.
Yeah, and we have a whole lot of team. Me.
Yes, and apart from Salesh, there is another teammates who have done it, and I have seen a lot of their videos on the website. But I wanted to personally visit to the site and see how exactly it is. I mean, there are few features which I like about this particular product. We know that we can switch the cameras. Generally, there is a single camera which is basically integrated with different kind of microphones. So there is a chairman microphone, there are delegate microphones also. But what happens is, if someone talks from that side, so camera has to switch. Now, if I talk, then camera gets switches to other side. So this is a USP with this particular device, which is Erthpot. Okay, I believe the other USP, which I really liked it, that you can do with two cameras also. Now, those two cameras can switch from this same device itself.
Yeah,
so this is one of the best USP which I found it about this particular product.
Thank you so much. Yeah, ये uniqueness पे हम काफ़ी टाइम से काम करते रहे, because we had this kind of requirement from the market, but किसी के पास ऐसा कोई solution था नहीं जो ऐसा कुछ solution दे सके. Because in normal system आपको एक switcher लगाना पड़ता है, then you have to put an operator to do the switching and all that. But it will save all this cost.
Correct. No, it's very unique, very defined. I mean, the LED is also anyway shows, it's an indication that yes, it is green, so it is activated. Somebody is red, it is not activated.
Correct.
Chairman has got a full control of this particular device. And another thing is, this is controllable through third-party devices also.
Yeah, it is.
Which is one of the best parts.
You can have it, integrated with Crestron or Extron. These devices we have already tested with them. You can give the control on the touch panel and all that. So all that is possible with this.
And the number of microphones also, I think it is quite a numerous that you can use it and integrate. Correct? What are the total number of microphones that
you can connect up to 110.
110 microphones.
110 microphones.
I think one best part is a very simple plug and play device.
Correct.
You just connect it, you have the device.
Yeah, exactly.
No, guys, I simply love this particular device. I must wish you all the best. Erthpot is doing really good. And this is my best wishes to you. Take it forward.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for your comment, and thank you coming down to our booth and giving us your time.
Thank you. Been pleasure always.
Thank you.